Welcome to our presentation, the remote controlled fan cleaning system developed by our team. My name is Asmin, 7th standard.
My name is Ali Ashim, 7th standard.
My name is Shamdin, 7th standard.
It is a revolutionary solution designed to make a ceiling fan cleaning safer and more convenient. We will begin by explaining the problem of cleaning high ceiling fans, which typically require ladders or stools, posing safety risk and inconvenience.
The main objective of the system are enhancing safety, convenience, time efficiency, innovation.
Working mechanism. When the down button is pressed on the remote, the microcontroller activates the motor which lowers the fan using a pulley system. The speed of lowering is kept slow for safety and precision. The fan is cleaned manually after it is lowered to a convenient height. After cleaning, pressing the up button on the remote raises the fan back to its original position. The main equipments are remote controller and microcontroller, power supply, pulley system, DC motor and switch.